Hello. Please forgive the crudity of the desk. It is a little dirty. I don't give a shit. So, today I'm going to be looking at this, as per requested by someone on the other video for battery chargers. Anyway, this one is a fancy one. Liitokala. It will, whatever. It'll do that. Cool. It has, of course, it's very similar to the, what is it, the Star, not the Nightcore one, the other one. It's got a 12 volt in, got an AC, 110, 240. Comes with this. And also a booklet that I cannot find. It's got the usual screws, boom, boom, and of course the sneaky fuckers underneath there. Yeah, 4.35. What the hell is that? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyways, let's pop it open. Yeah, I cheated. I took them out. No. Of course, they have the big bastard there with no names. These are... Hold on, let me get my old man glasses here. APM 9435A. There's 3 of them? Huh? Maybe there's the other ones on the back. I don't know about that. Huh. Okay. Well. Is there any screws on that? Sorry about the glare. I'm using a different recording device today. Yeah, I don't know. Let's try to prize it out. It's probably those. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it was on that other one. I mean, it's really, really similar to... What is the fucking name of it? Xtar. That's it. Xtar. Except... Can't zoom in or out of this mode. Alright. Whatever. I guess I'll zoom in manually. There we go. So the 12 volt looks like it's just had a couple transistors and a voltage regulator. Alright, now I'm even more confused. There's not another battery IC over here on, what would that be, slot 4. But they do have boost converters on the AC side. Yeah, just a... Dave Jones appreciates the isolation plots. There you go. Yep, that's one of those offline switcher chips, I bet. I don't know, I can't see what the part number is. Focus, you bastard. Now, fuck it. I don't care that much. What kind of caps do we got? Hinco's. HYNCOZ. They sound legit. Oh, of course, gotta have something to power the screen and whatnot. Another unmarked one. Yeah. Hey, why do they do that? Who fucking cares? Pricks. Oh no. It's falling apart. Shit. Anyways, there it is. Your Liitokala Smart Universal LCD fast charger. Be good for our batteries. PD4. Okay. Cool. Later.